When dining at Fogo de Chao, there is a constant battle of avoiding the non-meat dishes. But they're so good, it's worth having them now while we can't go there in person. We're frying up leftover polenta, next on Cooking with Bérénice. Fried polenta sticks are a wonderful treat when eaten in moderation and a great way to handle leftovers. After making soft polenta last night, I formed it with pressure into a bowl and cooled it overnight in the refrigerator. To make fried polenta sticks, you'll need your cool polenta, some cornstarch on a flat plate, and a little salt. To prepare our polenta, first, remove it as one form from the container. Using a knife, slowly cut the form into thick pats of polenta. Now we need to pour around 1/2 inch of oil in the bottom of a tall pot. A height will help prevent splatter from around the stove. Warming the oil to around 185 degrees Celsius or 365 Fahrenheit, we prepare our polenta sticks. Preparation when frying is essential. Things move quickly, and the oil is unforgiving of mistakes. Lay out a plate with towels to receive the fried sticks. Next, run the sticks through the cornstarch. This will provide a crust to prevent warming polenta from escaping and deforming the sticks. With our oil hot enough, it's time to fry up the polenta. Place it gently into the oil. Only fry a few at a time so as to not crowd the pot and decrease the oil's temperature. After about 30 to 45 seconds, rotate the sticks. These initial turns should be far apart to set in the crust. After rotating to all sides, it's time to remove. Gently take them out and put them on the paper towels. Once cooled, plate the sticks. I've chosen to accompany mine with oven-roasted broccoli to balance out the dish. Add a dipping side of mayonnaise, and now it's time to enjoy dinner, cooking for Bérénice.